So the biggest impact of the COVID-19 pandemic to the oil and gas sector is definitely the crash of oil prices, and this is a result of a sudden decline in the overall crude products as well as the petroleum products. And the impact is actually very significant to the oil and gas giants, especially for this year. For instance, Petronas has actually guided this year to be very challenging, and they do not discount possibility of it's actually in the losses for financially in losses this year. And for the second quarter, we do expect results to be actually quite weak because of the lower oil prices. And looking at the overall upstream segments, the E&P players are generally have to cut productions because for Malaysia, the players they have to comply with the OPEC Plus agreement, and hence their operating cash flow are dampened because of lower oil prices, and second is lower productions. So this will actually cascade down the impact to the services players as they are very much dependent on the capex and also OPEC spending for these oil companies. And based on conversations with the corporates, they have actually seen the impact, the slowdown in activities. But of course, in the third quarter itself, we do see some gradual quarter-on-quarter improvements post MCO periods, and hence things actually have picked up a little bit. But overall, we do expect things are actually rather muted at this point of time, probably up to the first or second quarter of next year. Okay, we have already seen a decline in oil investments since March because everyone has actually shifted or re-look at the numbers again. And I think across globally, at least they have cut 20 to 30% from their budgeted numbers at the beginning as compared to the numbers beginning of the year. So whether this will continue to actually trend down, ultimately it will depend on the performance of oil prices. Because if oil prices were to seen to recover in a much more sustainable way, and we are talking about maybe at least 6 to 9 months we're recovering more 6 to 9 months period, then we might see them to actually unwind their spending gradually. But overall, we do think that at this point of time they would rather maintain the wait and see approach and to actually keep on their prudent and cautious spending mode.